Hi guys, it's Mike from Touch Detailing, and today I'm going to show you how to quickly clean and protect your rubber floor mats, going from this to this. First you'll need a pair of gloves to keep any cleaner and chemicals off your skin, a rubber cleaner, all-purpose cleaner or degreaser, a soft bristle brush for getting into all the nooks and crannies, a stiff bristles brush just in case you need a little extra power, running water, a couple of old microfiber cloths, and if you have access to it, forced air. I'm using a pet dryer, but you could also use a leaf blower or compressed air if you have it. If not, then a couple more cloths or a towel will do. Start by carefully removing the floor mat, making sure you don't spill all the dirt and debris from the mat into your vehicle. Once out and away from the car, beat the mat until all the loose dirt has been removed. Then rinse the mat down with water and begin applying your cleaner. Agitate the cleaner with your soft bristled brush, ensuring you work the cleaner into all areas of the mat. Next, rinse the chemical off. This lip around the edge of rubber floor mats helps contain water and dirt, so you may need to pick the mat up when rinsing in order to remove all of the product. If still dirty, reapply the chemical and begin agitating with your stiff bristled brush, and again rinse away the product. Repeat this process until your floor mats are clean. Now it's time to dry the mat. Don't let it dry in the sun as this could cause water spots. Use forced air to blow the water off the mat and out of all the intricate areas. If you don't have forced air, you will need to dry with a few microfiber cloths. This will take longer but will still work. Finally, I like to use Meguiar's Express Wax on the mat. This allows me to slightly enhance the look of the mat without making it slippery or greasy like you might get when using a dressing. Simply spray on the mat and work the product in until it's no longer visible. Before putting the mat back in your car, quickly dry the back to avoid getting your carpet wet.